Hi guys, it's Ty with Traveling Wild. Today we are at
SeaQuest.
What are we gonna go see right now? Kinkajou. Yeah, we're gonna see.
Kinkajou.
Go on right there. Come on, let me. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, Tay, kiss you. Kiss him. Hold your arms out. So that's Honey right there. Hi, buddy. Oh, he loves you. He's gonna kisses, dude. Oh, he's gonna come over and see me now. Hi, buddy. There you go, bud. Tell us what you got there. I told you you're gonna want one. Camry. Chelsea, look at your little buddy. Hey, look at that. Got a buddy. Oh, there he goes. For a second. He was on me for a second. See, he's got his tail wrapped around my neck. He's out here eating with Demery. These guys, it's quite an accomplishment to be able to. He's kissing Demery. Have their lives be this wonderful, be able to teach you guys and have Demery. Their mind like that, and be safe like that. Then they came to us for the purpose of being able to be raised and learn and be around people from an early age. Yeah. Oh, he likes to. Oh, kiss him, Tay, kiss him. Oh, he's like, kiss me. All right, boys. Zazu from The Lion King. Hi, Zazu. Quilliam, where are you? Where are you, Quilliam? Oh, there he is. Addie, don't be afraid. They did it. What do you see there, Tay?
Macaws.
Macaws are cool, huh?
Yeah.
Hi, buddy.
Really cocky look.
He surprised you. Pet him, Demery. What? Demery, are you making a friend? What are you doing? Whoa. Oh, look, there's one coming to say hi to Chelsea.
There's so many rocks in here.
Oh, hi, buddy. Hi. Addie, what do you got there?
Stingray. So cute. I love stingrays now. Oh my god. You should pet him. He feels so cute.
Here's the shark, guys. Shark just swam right past us. We are going to have to get in the water with these things and swim with them. Should we? Yeah. Should we do it? I think we need to get in the water with these things. That is going to be amazing. Just hold your hand in there, Tay. Let's do it. Put your hand another way, Tay Tay. Just hold your hand in there, Tay. Put your hand in there. Just put your hand in there, Mom. Hurry. Hold it in there, Mom. Don't move.
This is exactly what it felt like at Lake Powell. They have these in Lake Powell.
I want to pet this creature over here. He's asleep, so we're going to try to pet him. These guys can be pretty mean. I actually caught one of these, a wild one, in Puerto Rico.
Good to meet you.
Caught an iguana. I did not think that I'd be able to do that. Here you go. Here goes Charles. She's going for it.
think?
He likes it. Look at his little face.
He's like, all these cool animals here, and apparently, I think they like the fish thing the best.
Does this freak you guys out a little bit? Mom, look how
There's so many on there.
Yeah, Mom, you can get your
Such a weird looking creature. These are like more like sea puppies. Katie, there's a shark right by you.
I bet it.
Oh! Allie, you got a shark in your lap.
Dad, look, I found 2 iguanas.
Ooh.
They're so cool. Should I try to pet them?
Yeah, you can find your little buddy in there. She's beautiful, huh? Hey guys, look at this beautiful cat. Whoa! Guys, look at this. Demery, is that heavy? Addie, what's happening?
You have to burn calories. It's like
You're about the perfect size meal for him, Addie. I think he's kind of like, can I eat this little one? You already got kissed by the Kinkajou.
Smelling you. He's like, ooh, you smell so good. You smell like all those other animals. He's like that.
snakes and crocodiles we're not really afraid of, but spiders? What do you got there, Tay?
Tarantula.
She is a rose-haired tarantula.
So we're holding it super low to the table. That way if it falls or jumps off, it won't get hurt because these beautiful creatures are very fragile. Look at that hairdo that guy has. Hey, friend.
Yeah.
They have two caiman. They've got one over here and another one. You can see him. He's just floating in the water right there. This guy over here is like, oh, did we save food? It is time to eat. They're getting excited. We're going fishing for caiman. I got his dinner right here. We're gonna gently put this over the top. Here, there we go. Oh man, that was fast. SeaQuest is amazing. If you have a SeaQuest in your area, we're in Layton, Utah, but I know they have them all over the country. Make sure you go to SeaQuest. I'm shocked how amazing this place is. So many different animals, not just fish. They got snakes and spiders and endangered species that you're not going to see anywhere else, really. Sloth, Kinkajou, that's your favorite? Kinkajou? That's amazing. So go find a SeaQuest in your area and go see it.